Hi there, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to do a logo design, and today we are designing a very simple logo for Obinna show, and I hope that this is going to be a very engaging video. And if in case Obinna watches this video, you can let me know, would you go for this logo? So we don't have much time, so let's get started. So first I will set up this artboard. So let me name it first. These are the dimensions that I'm going to use, and I'll just click OK, just like that, and we need to get started. So I had done several logo designs here, and I was just drawing them on my notebook. So I want to just bring them here and show you, and then I'm going to do one logo idea from here. So these are different versions of the logos that I was thinking as I was brainstorming. So this is the first one. Anyway, I didn't like those, so I settled for this logo here. Okay, this one, I settled for this one. So allow me to now do this design. Okay, so the first thing to do is to just imitate whatever I was drawing, but now doing it perfectly. So I'm going to draw this. It's an oval. Okay, so I'll pick an ellipse tool and then draw an oval just like that. And then I don't want this color. I'll fasten here, because who wants to wait for the whole video? If you want the whole video, you can let me know, but for this one I'm going to just fasten, and I think you can still get the idea of what I'm doing. Then I want to do the S. I'll use the pencil tool. Just make sure that the fidelity is smooth, then click OK, and then do the S, just like that. That's beautiful. Then I think the S is done. Again, I'll fast forward here because no one wants to see how we are resizing and all that, because I think that can be done easily. Then here I'll look for a photo, maybe from Obinna's Instagram, so that we can do some mock-ups later on. You'll see what I'll use these photos for. So allow me to download some photos here, just like that. Then from this we are going to get this color as his brand color, just like that, and then copy this. Then we are going to also put it in this logo. So we'll paste here, and then okay, look at that, beautiful. I will need to type. Okay, just type and look for the best font and adjust as we can. Okay, so we'll duplicate the artboard and find some other versions of the logo. So we'll have the simple, we'll have words, we'll have with them without words, we'll have different colors, different backgrounds. That is what I'm doing here. Okay, just creating different variations of the same logo, and this serves different purposes. Okay, That's why we have different versions, and you will see in the mockups that these logos will serve a very different task at the end of the day. So that's why I usually like to have different versions, and then I'll show you how to apply them differently, so don't worry. Okay, we'll do a simple mockup here. Okay, but the best ones, we are going to do them in Photoshop. Okay, so this is a simple one in Illustrator. Then let's move to Photoshop and do our other mockups. Okay, so let me save these logos as PNGs. Okay, that's what I'm doing here. Okay, I want to put here a logo. Just like that. I'll put the icon. Okay, I'll change the mind and also put this. Let me see if this version works. Okay, that's not visible, so we'll need to create another version of the logo. Same logo, different versions. We'll do white. Okay. That looks fine. Okay, so we'll change the logo. I think this is now fine. Okay, that's why I told you different versions of the same logo, and we are going to blend in just like that. Okay, that's fine. We'll do the same to this other guy and blend in, give it a blur just like that. Okay, that's done. Let's save it. Alright. Okay, we'll place the mockup. There we go. Let's do another mockup here. We are going to do the icon. Okay, then blend in just like that. We are done with that. Then we'll bring it in Illustrator and add it just like that. We'll do another mockup here. So I'll want to do it on his hat. So I'll create another version of the logo. Same logo, different versions again. Then I'll bring it in Photoshop and do the mockup and blend in. Then I'll also do one here for the icon, then blend in again, and then we are done. Then we shall crop all this to fit on these artboards, just like that. Here I did a sample for the website, how it's going to look on the website, and then I did a business card, just like that. Then we need to also bring this inside Illustrator and fit it to the artboards, just like that. Then we'll do one for the website, bring it here. This is a mock-up for the website in case he will ever open a website. Then just do a rearrangement. I want to start with the logos, different versions of the logos, then followed by the mockups. I did a few mockups. You can do more mockups, but I think this is still fine. Now here is the final work. I'll just export all this as JPEG, just like that. Then I'll also want to export that as a PDF, just like that. And then here are the different versions of the logo. This is the work that we've done. Look at it. How is it? You can drop me a comment and let me know how you feel about this. I hope that this will reach Obinna and I hope that he's going to like this. Okay, if you want to do a logo, you can always reach out and I'll be glad to work on your logo. So it was as simple as that. I know the video has been a bit quick, but if you want a step-by-step video, it can be about 1 hour. You can imagine 1 hour. I didn't want to take so long. This is just a simple logo idea that I did for Oga Show. I hope that it's a good idea. So please drop me a comment. I would really want to hear from you. I hope that this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button and also share this video so that it can reach out to more people. Otherwise, if you like my general content, feel free to subscribe with the notifications on so that you can be the first person to be notified when we upload a video on this channel. At this moment, I want you to click anywhere on the screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I will see you in that video. Peace.